Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Maria Islam from Mirpur Science College. English has always been my favorite subject and I wanted to learn it more and more. Being a Bangla medium student, sadly I didn't have that much platform to improvise it. After my SSC examination, I've came across Mentors after SSC course. I quickly signed up for it and trust me, that was the best decision of my educational life. Not only I got the chance to improve my listening, speaking, writing and hearing skills, but also I grew a lot of confidence by interacting with people in English every day. During my course, my instructors were very friendly as well. They give me full freedom to do mistakes so that I can learn from it. I remember at the very first class, my instructor told everyone that if you do a mistake, I will give you a gift. The journey was very unique, yet enjoyable and adventurous. At the very end, thank you mentors. Allah Hafiz.